welcome to Grace and Jamie's cooking show.
On today's menu, we'll be making the best root beer floats ever! The purpose of our speech is to demonstrate for our class how to make a root beer float.
After listening to everybody in the audience should be able to make a root beer float.
First, we're gonna go get our supplies.
First, you're gonna need a cup.
The reason why, okay, so you can use any kind of cup, like this little one, or you can use a really big one. But the reason we chose this one because when you finish your root beer float, you won't be too full or you won't be too hungry.
B, ice cream scoop.
Okay.
You can use one like hers or mine.
Next, you're gonna need spoons. You can use any kind of spoon. You can use metal spoons, or you can use plastic spoons. But the reason why we recommend using metal is because this is what can happen to plastic spoons. They can break very easily. So we recommend metal spoons.
But if you have a little cup like this and you only have plastic ones, you can use
because
that.
This is a little cup with a metal spoon in it. Not very good. Okay.
Next we're going to need food/drinks.
First you need ice cream.
You can use vanilla ice cream. You can use chocolate ice cream or strawberry.
Any ice cream works, but we recommend using vanilla for your root beer float. Okay, now you can use any pop. You can use your favorite pop or just any pop. But we are using A&W root beer for our root beer float, most common.
What's optional is whipped cream
or Cool Whip. But we're using whipped cream.
And next you're going to need straws. You can use this straw for big cups, or you can use these bendy straws for the little cups.
Let's make it. First, you're going to need your cup. Then, with your ice cream scoop, you open your any ice cream. In this case, we're using vanilla, and scoop about two. We're going to scoop about 2 scoops in there. 1, 2. Now, for a little cup like this, we probably just put 1 in there. There.
So just like this.
Just like this. That's what it should look like so far. Can't really see it with those owls on this one, but okay, next.
You're going to need root beer or any kind of pop you like.
You should probably fill the root beer up to this line so the foam doesn't overflow. And here, about 3/4 of the way up, so about there. So that doesn't overflow either. And while the foam's cooling, I'll do it. Okay, now Jamie's gonna pour a little more in, and then I will. Okay. Okay. Now, you can use your optional cream or Cool Whip. As you can see, my thing overflows, so you can take a straw and just. Okay, now I put my. You can use as much as you want. We're just, oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
And if you are using a little cup, you want to use, about 3/4, half of the way. So just like that.
Then
the cream, you only need a little bit. So.
Or you can use as much as you want. It depends
how big your cup is.
Yeah.
So like that. And then next you're gonna take your straw and put it in your float. And then you can take any kind of spoon if you want it. If you're using a little cup like this, you would use a plastic spoon.
If you're using a bigger cup like ours, you're going to want a bigger metal spoon.
And for the straw, for the little cup, you're going to use a plastic bendy one.
Okay, so that's how you make a root beer float.
The reason why we pick root beer floats is because some people didn't know how to make them, and we want to teach them how because we love root beer floats.
And I'm going to tell you a little fun fact. The first person to invent the root beer float was, drum roll please, Frank Wisner.
So that's how you make a root beer float.
Cheers!